Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best office knives available. The WORKPRO Premium Utility Knife with Retractable Snap-Off Blade. Whether you're cutting open boxes, slicing through carpets, or handling DIY craft projects, this utility knife is designed to make your job easier and more efficient. When it comes to office tools, having the right equipment can make all the difference, and this knife checks all the boxes. It's not just another utility knife. It's a heavy-duty, aluminum alloy, stainless steel tool that's built to last. The rust-free powder coat design makes it both durable and lightweight, weighing only 0.7 ounces. Plus, it's been drop-tested from 1.5 meters, ensuring it can handle accidental drops without a hitch. The WORKPRO Premium Utility Knife features a retractable blade with an auto-lock mechanism, which gives you precise control over your cuts. Whether you need a longer blade for slicing through thick materials like cardboard or a shorter one for delicate cuts in arts and crafts, this knife adapts to your needs. The blade automatically locks in place when you release the button, giving you peace of mind while you work. Replacing the blade is effortless too. The quick release mechanism means you don't need any extra tools to swap out the razor blade. And with 10 extra 9mm blades included, you'll have plenty of cutting power at your disposal. Each SK5 blade has been heat-treated at 1922 degrees Fahrenheit, making it sharp and durable enough for even the toughest tasks. One of the standout features of this utility knife is its ergonomic design. It's comfortable to hold for extended periods, making it perfect for both everyday office use and more intense DIY projects. Whether you're cutting rope, vinyl, or leather, this knife ensures you get the job done with precision and ease. And if you're worried about safety, the WORKPRO utility knife has you covered. The retractable blade is securely locked inside the metal frame when not in use, and there's even a built-in snap-off tool to safely snap the blade when it gets dull. It's compact enough to fit into your back pocket, so you can easily carry it around the office or to any job site. Finally, if you're someone who appreciates top-notch customer support, WORKPRO offers lifetime assistance with their tools, ensuring that if you ever have any issues, you'll get a quick resolution. So, if you're in the market for the best office knife that combines durability, safety, and versatility, the WORKPRO Premium Utility Knife is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product reviews.